If you're experiencing account sync issues in CS2, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to improve your account synchronization. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that you are running the latest version of CS2. Developers often release updates that fix bugs and improve performance. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available patches. Step 3. Verify account credentials. Double-check your account credentials to ensure you are logging in with the correct username and password. If you have recently changed your password, make sure to use the updated information. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Sometimes corrupted cache files can cause sync issues. Clear the cache and data for the game through your device settings. This will force the game to resync your account information. Step 5. Relink your account. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try unlinking and then relinking your account. Go to the account settings in the game, disconnect your account, and then log back in to re-establish the connection. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues in CS2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.